kind of want to just do it nice and slow, working it back and forth. You know, that's all you need to do. By the way, you guys, I'm new to this TikTok stuff, so bear with me. I'm kind of learning. You know, I see everybody's on the TikTok shop making videos and having a good time, so I decided to jump on it. So let's see. Just, fine shavings on there. I mean, it cut something. It did cut the threads. So let's try to blow it with air. Just like butter, buttery smooth. As you can see, it goes in by hand, and then I think it's good to go now. So this thing is really helpful. I like it. I mean, you could do it without it, but it just does make your life a lot easier. You don't have to be running around wasting time. As we all know, as a mechanic, time is money, and if you're wasting time, you're not making money. All right. Anyway, thanks for watching my video, and I appreciate the support. Thank you.